In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Maps section to your Shopify theme. If you've ever wanted to show your store's physical location on your online Shopify store, having a Google Maps section can make all the difference. Whether it's offering clearer directions to your brick and mortar store or simply enhancing the look and feel of your site, this step-by-step guide will help you get the map set up and running in just a few minutes. First things first, open up your Shopify admin panel by navigating to your store's homepage. Once you're there, locate and click on Apps. This section within Shopify is dedicated to managing, adding, or removing any applications that are integrated into your online store. Now you're going to want to look for an app by typing a simple search term. In the search bar, type out Section Store. This is where you'll find the app called Section Factory, which will allow us to integrate a Google Maps section into your store's theme seamlessly. Upon locating the Section Factory app, go ahead and click on Install. You might need to follow a few prompts that will guide you through the installation process. Be sure to read through any pop-up messages or permissions that appear, ensuring you're comfortable with the access the app will have to your store. Once the installation is complete, access the Section Factory application through your Shopify apps list. Here, we will now focus on adding the map section. In the user's interface of the Section Factory app, utilize the search or navigation features to locate the map functionality. Simply type map in the search field. This will bring up the Google Maps section option. Now comes a crucial part of the setup, enabling the map. There is a small cost associated with accessing the advanced map features offered by this app. For only $9 you can fully enable the map functionality, which will then allow you to showcase a Google map directly on your site. While this is a small fee, it's a worthwhile investment that can offer significant benefits to your store visitors by improving their experience. After completing this last step, your Shopify store should now display the Google Maps section you set up. It's as easy as that. You've successfully managed to integrate a valuable tool that not only enhances your customers' ease of locating your store, but also adds a professional touch to your online site. Remember to test how it looks and functions across different devices to ensure everything is working perfectly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in adding that extra touch to your Shopify theme.